Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 10, Exponents and Powers, exercise 10.1, question number 2. The question is simplify and express the result in power notation with the positive exponent. So we need to simplify, and also the final answer, it should be in the power notation. That is, we should have base as well as exponent, and the exponent should have positive exponent. The power should be positive power. So generally when we have the terms like this, a power b, so base is nothing but a, and then we can say either it is power or exponent. So the power or exponent is nothing but b. So in this notation we need to simplify this expression, and the power should be a positive power. So coming to the first problem, it is minus 4 the whole power 5 divided by minus 4 the whole power 8. So in order to simplify this expression, we have law of exponents, that is a power m divided by a power n. So when we have same base both in the numerator and in the denominator, we can write this as a power m minus n. Why? Because commonly we can write a one time, and then numerator power it is m, we have to introduce one minus, denominator power it is n. So it is a power m minus n. So using this formula, how we can write this expression? The common base it is minus 4 the whole power. What is numerator power? It is 5. Denominator power it is 8. So we need to introduce one minus sign, and then we have to put one 8. So which is nothing but minus 4 the whole power. What is 5 minus 8? So 5 minus 8, 8 minus 5 it is 3, and a bigger number symbol it is minus. So it is minus 3. So minus 4 the whole power minus 3. Always we have to make the power as positive. So for that we have another rule, which is nothing but a power minus m. So whenever we have a power minus m, in order to make this power as positive, we can take this overall term to the denominator. So 1 by a power plus m. Like this we can rewrite this term. So similarly here, whatever the base you have, you can write as it is. So 1 by, the base is minus 4. There is nothing change in your base, even though it is negative. We are going to change the power as positive. So minus 3 will become plus 3 when it goes to the denominator. So numerator term, when it goes to the denominator, the power minus 3 will become plus 3. So this is the final answer for the first subdivision. So coming to the second subdivision, we have 1 by 2 power 3 and the whole square. So again with the law of exponent, we have a by b the whole power m. Whenever we have different term in the numerator, different term in the denominator, the common power means we can split this term, because this power is applicable for both the terms, which we can write it as a power m divided by b power m. So this term we can write it as 1 square divided by, already 2 power 3 is there, and then the overall square will be applied. So 1 square means what? 1 is repeated for 2 times, 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So numerator it is just 1. And then again for this term we have another rule, that is a power m the whole power n, which is nothing but a power m into n. So whatever we have power, that we can multiply and write. So already the base is 2, that remains same. The power it is nothing but 3 into 2. So 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 power, what is 3 2? 3 into 2, 3 into 2 is, it is nothing but 6. So the final answer is nothing but 1 by 2 power 6 for the second subdivision. So why, if we want we can simplify, but here what they are saying, we need to mention it as power as well as, that is the base we need to use as it is, and the power it should be a positive power. In that way only they are asking to simplify. So the result, it should be in a power notation only with positive exponent. So only we are not simplifying the denominator term and all. Else what we have to do, this also we have to simplify, but here they are not asking to find out the final value, right? So coming to the third subdivision, it is minus 3 the whole power 4 into 5 by 3 the whole power 4. So again, using the law of exponents, whenever we have different base like a power m into b power m, but common power, right? Here also the base is a, here the base is b, but overall the common power we have here also m, here also m, because here commonly we have power as 4. Like this, if we have, just take the power m outside, and whatever the base you have to multiply as a into b. So using this law of exponent, how we can write this? Take the common power outside, multiply the base, minus 3 into 5 by 3. So 3 get cancelled. Whenever we have negative term as this, minus 5 the whole power 4. Whenever the power is even power, generally it will become positive. Minus term will become positive. Why? Because this term I can write it as minus 1 into 5 the whole power 4, which is nothing but minus 1 the whole power 4 into 5 the whole power 4. So this rule we can apply, that is a into b the whole power m. How we can write a power m into b power m. So using this rule, how we can write this term? This is a, this is b. So a power m into b power m, like that we can write. So what is minus 1 the whole power 4? Minus 1 is repeated 4 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus, it is plus. So 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, it is nothing but 1. So overall the value, it is nothing but 1. So this value, it is 1 into 5 power 4. 1 into any value is that particular value. So 5 power 4. So either you can simplify like this, or in general what you can have, minus if it is there, and then the overall power, it is 4, which is nothing but even number. We can just write this term as positive value. We can just write 5 power 4 directly also. So here itself you can just write what? Anyway, minus 1 the whole power 4, it is going to be a positive value. Just you can write 5 power 4 directly also without calculating. But if we have odd power, instead of even we have odd power like a 3, 5 and all, we will get a minus as it is. Okay, in that place we have tried minus 5 the whole power 4. But here it is even, like 2, 4, 6 and all, if we have power, then we can directly use the value. Anyway, it is going to be a positive base. Okay. So coming to the fourth problem, it is 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10, and this whole term is multiplied by 3 power minus 5. So again we have law of exponents such that a power m divided by a power n, which is nothing but a power m minus n. So we have same base but different power. So how we can simplify the first term? It is 3 power, what is numerator power? Minus 7, and we have to introduce one minus, then denominator power, it is minus 10, and then this overall term is multiplied by 3 power minus 5. So it is 3 power minus 7, minus into minus, it is plus, and then we have 10 into 3 power minus 5. 3 power 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7, it is 3 plus 3. Why? Because 10 is a bigger number, which symbol it is plus. So 3 power 3 into 3 power minus 5. So again we have rule such that a power m into a power n. we have common base but different power. How we can write? We can write a one time, just add the power, a power m plus n. So we can write this term as 3 power 3 plus minus 5. So 3 power 3 plus into minus, it is minus, and then 5. So what is 3 minus 5? 5 minus 3, it is 2, and then bigger number symbol, it is minus. So it is nothing but 3 power minus 2. And again, whenever we have power as negative value, just convert that into positive power. So how we can convert? Just take this term to the denominator. So 1 by 3 power minus 2 will become plus 2. So using the rule a power minus m, which is nothing but 1 by a power m. So negative power will become positive power. So coming to the fifth problem, we have 2 power minus 3 into minus 7 the whole power minus 3. We have different base like a power m into b power m. The bases are different but power is common. So how we can write? Take power commonly outside, the base and all we have to multiply as a into b. So using that, what is the base here? 2 into, what is the base here? Minus 7. Common power is what? Minus 3, that we have to take outside. So 2 into 7, it is nothing but 14, plus into minus, it is minus. Minus 14 the whole power minus 3. So minus we have. So as already I have told, since it is negative power, right? We have to first convert this into positive power. But anyway, coming to the value also, here also it is minus 14, but the power it is in odd value. So there won't be any change in the negative symbol. So it will not affect anything in the base. So you have to keep the base as it is. Only if we have even power, it will become positive. But here it is a odd power only. So no need to change anything with the base. But coming to the power, it is minus 3. So we need to convert the power as a positive power. So again we have rules such that a power minus m is nothing but 1 by a power m. So using that, how we can write? 1 by, the base remains same, minus 14 remains same, there won't be any change. So minus 14 power 3 plus 3. Okay. So this is the final answer for the fifth subdivision. Thank you. Thanks for watching.